how to grow garlic in container. In this video, I'll show you how to grow garlic in container. We need to make sure that the container that you're using has a lot of holes for drainage. The container needs to be at least 10 inches deep. I recommend using the best potting mix you can find. I have another video, I'm gonna link it below, that shows you how to make a good potting mix, because this potting mix has a lot of compost, rich compost that I will use to plant. You want to fill the container, I'll say 2/3 full, with your potting mix before you start planting. You want to make sure that you're planting the garlic 6 inches deep and as much as 4 inches or 6 inches apart from each other. After filling the container with our potting mix, we're gonna start planting our garlic now. So this is the garlic we put in this container for fast germination 2 weeks ago. I have another video that shows you how to germinate this garlic like this. I'm gonna put the links below so that you can take a look at it. So now what I'm gonna do is make a couple of holes of about 6 inches in the container and about 4 to 6 inches apart so that we can start planting our garlic. So in this container, I'm gonna try to see if I can plant about 6 garlic bulbs in this container. So I'm gonna make a couple of holes. And from this garlic, you can see this is the roots are already coming out. So we want to put the roots in and leave a little bit of the tip of the garlic out so that it's gonna continue growing. So we're gonna do the same for all the other garlic. It's gonna just put it in the hole that we just made, and then just cover it with our potting mix. With the extreme temperatures that we have here in New England, I'm gonna add a little bit of shredded leaves. You can use shredded leaves or you can use mulch and just cover the top of the container with the shredded leaves. It's gonna act as some sort of insulation for the garlic, and it's gonna do much better with that insulation. Later on in the spring, when the leaves decompose, it's gonna provide more nutrients for the garlic, and the garlic is gonna do much better. Okay, that's it. We're all set with our garlic. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share with friends and families. Thank you and have a fabulous day.